Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today we're jumping into something lots of people are talking about. Plant-based diets for pets. Yeah, we're looking at how this choice might help our furry friends be healthy and happy. And, maybe even help the planet too.
Exactly. And for this deep dive, our mission is basically to pull out the key ideas from our sources, especially that plant-based diets for pets, a universal guide we found on El Gato en Casa. We'll chat about the good stuff, how you might make it work for your specific pet, and what you really need to think about first.
Okay, let's unpack this then. What are the really big pluses, the super good things about this kind of food for pets, according to the guide?
Right. Well, the guide highlights some pretty significant health benefits. First off, getting enough good stuff for their bodies. We're talking strong proteins from foods like lentils, peas, quinoa, that kind of thing. Plus loads of vitamins, A, B, C, K from fruits and veggies. And healthy fats, too, from things like flaxseed. It's all about that nutritional mix.
Okay, so they get the building blocks.
Mm-hmm.
What about how it actually works inside them, like digestion and stuff?
Yeah, that's a big one. These diets can often help their tummies work better, so maybe less constipation or fewer upset stomachs, which is great. It can also really help pets stay at a healthy weight, and maybe even, help avoid some sicknesses linked to weight, like being overweight or sugar problems.
Interesting. Anything else on the health front?
Definitely. A stronger immune system. Plant foods have these things called antioxidants. They're like little helpers that make pets' bodies stronger against getting sick. Some owners even report fewer allergies or skin issues, which is a really nice bonus for some pets.
Wow, okay. Now, here's where I think it gets really interesting. It sounds like it's not just about the pet's health.
That's absolutely right. The El Gato en Casa guide talks about the planet and animal benefits too. Think about it. Making traditional meat-based pet food uses a ton of land and water, and it creates greenhouse gases, bad air essentially. Plant-based options, they generally use way less of those resources, so it's a kinder choice for our planet.
And kinder to other animals too, I guess.
Exactly. Choosing plant-based means less demand for those really big industrial farms where, animal welfare can sometimes be a concern. It's a choice based on kindness.
Okay, that's a powerful point. And believe it or not, could this actually help your wallet too?
Potentially, yes.
Okay.
The guide touches on money-saving benefits. Sometimes the ingredients for plant-based diets or even some pre-made foods can end up costing less than high-end meat diets.
Okay.
And maybe even more importantly, if your pet is healthier overall, well, that can mean fewer trips to the vet, right? Lower vet bills over time.
That definitely makes sense. So this all sounds promising, but how does someone listening make this work for their specific dog or cat? How do you tailor it?
Right. This is super crucial. Tailoring the diet is key. Every single pet is different. You've got to think about their age, how big they are, how active they are. Maybe they have health issues already. What works perfectly for your neighbor's dog might not be right for yours at all.
So talking to an expert is probably step one.
Absolutely essential. You really need to talk to your vet, or even better, a specialist like a veterinary nutritionist. Seriously important. They can help make absolutely sure your pet gets every single nutrient they need, especially tricky ones in plant diets like vitamin B12 or an amino acid called taurine, which is vital for cats.
Okay, so vet consultation first.
Yeah.
Then what? Can you buy this food or do you have to cook it yourself?
Good question. You can do either. There are good store-bought options now. Brands like V-Dog, maybe Beyond Meat for Pets, Natural Balance has some. They make complete foods. Or, you can make it at home using things like lentils, brown rice, sweet potatoes, spinach, stuff like that. But, and this is but you absolutely need a balanced recipe. Get one from your vet to make sure it's complete. Don't just guess.
Got it. And what if your pet has specific issues, like allergies?
The guide mentions that too. If your pet reacts to, say, soy, there are specific plant-based foods designed without those ingredients. It's all about finding the right fit for your individual pet's needs.
And changing food. You can't just switch overnight, right?
Yeah, definitely not. Go slow. Mix a little bit of the new food in with the old over like a week or maybe even 2 weeks. That gives their tummy time to adjust. And just watch them, see if they like it, check their energy, make sure their digestion seems happy. So, thinking about all this, it does raise an important point, doesn't it? A well-planned, plant-based diet seems to offer so much. Healthier pets, maybe a healthier planet, even saving some money.
Exactly. Better digestion, stronger immunity, being kinder to the world. It's definitely a lot to think about based on what we read in that El Gato en Casa Universal Guide. So for you listening, maybe the takeaway is this. What small step could you explore? Could looking into these kinds of healthy choices be a truly positive move for your best friend? something to consider.